Hello, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm fine.
Don't say hi, you should say hello to your teacher or examiner. Hello, how are you?
Hello sir, I'm fine.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sir Jubair.
Jubair, where are you from?
I am from Dhanmondi.
Okay. How is the place of Dhanmondi for living?
It is a very wonderful place for living because it is almost perfect in all areas. You can see natural beauty as well as modern facilities as well as varieties of facilities in that city.
Okay. Do you have many friends in your area?
Yes, I have lot of friends in my areas and everybody knows me and I also know everything in my area.
So what do you do with your friends?
I usually spend my time talk about our future and try to gain new experience through traveling new places like in the city or sometime outside the city.
Do you like to face IELTS speaking test?
Yeah, I love to face the IELTS speaking test.
Do you enjoy IELTS speaking test?
Yeah, I enjoy a lot because it teaches me new things.
Okay. So I am going to ask you some question about paying bills. What kind of bills do you have to pay?
Usually I have to pay a lot of bill like the Wi-Fi bill, the electricity bill as well as the water bill.
Okay. How do you usually pay your bill? In cash or by in any other way?
In terms of Wi-Fi bill, I usually pay through cash, but while in other bill like electricity, I pay through bKash, an online payment method.
Okay. Have you ever forgotten to pay bill?
Yeah, a lot of time I forgot to pay the bill and then I need to pay double in the next month. Like in the last month, August, I forgot to pay the bill. So in the current month, September, I paid the double bill. And for that, I need to pay some concession also.
Okay. Is there anything you could do to make your bills cheaper?
Yes, I can pay the bill in the correct time. I can take their services a lot and I can give them more customer like in the Mazda Network Limited, the Wi-Fi that I use. If I provide them more customer, they can give me some concession, and if I pay the bill regularly, they will also can give me some concession.
Okay. Thank you very much. Your IELTS speaking part is over.